Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's menu we have honey glazed salmon. So I'm going to start off by seasoning my salmon with all-purpose, black pepper, some garlic, onion, and I think this basil mix. Some adobo. And some cayenne pepper. You don't want to come out. Wash my hands before I mix it up. Just gonna rub it together. Get some. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then I put it in the pot. Put some butter in there. I better melt. Hurry up. Okay. So, I'm gonna put some honey in there. And a little bit of brown sugar to give it color. That's enough. Yeah, I'm about to put my salmon in there. Face down. I'm going to turn this over. Beautiful. I feel like this one's going to break. I don't want it to break, guys. So what I'm going to do, is, as always, I need help. I'm going to break. So this one I feel like it's about to break, boy. Look at that. Oh well. It looks good, right? Look at that color. Y'all see that color though? I knew that was gonna be. I saw it when I was washing it. I knew it was messed up. Oh, it don't matter because I'm gonna eat it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get it. Some color is pretty and nice. Nice and pretty. And I'm about to baste it. So, first. Okay. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. This is falling apart. Okay. I'm gonna turn this on. So it's not even on high. So I gotta keep basting it. Because I want it to be glazed. It's looking glazed already, right? This salmon look juicy. This salmon look like something you get out of a restaurant. Like, girl, you did that. Now, I'll turn it off. A quick little honey glaze recipe. It's sticky. That looks so good. I'll put it in the oven for like 5 minutes. I mean, you don't need to come look any darker than this, but I'll put it in the oven for a minute. Turn this oven on real quick and bake. I'll put it on for 400 for 5 minutes. See how it comes out. There it is. Finish. So I just put it in the oven on 400 for like 5 minutes to get that color. I mean on broil, not on 400, on broil for 5 minutes. I get this color.